The UAG Pathfinder case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a standout option for those seeking rugged durability without compromising on functionality. This case features a feather-light composite construction, combining a patented hard outer armor shell with an impact-resistant soft core and torsion screw detail. The interior hex pattern enhances shock absorption, ensuring your device is well protected against drops and impacts. Additionally, the case is made with 50% recycled materials, offering a sustainable choice for eco-conscious users. One of the key highlights of the UAG Pathfinder case is its compatibility with magnetic charging. The built-in magnet module ensures a seamless attachment experience with MagSafe and MagSafe accessories, as well as most third-party wireless chargers and Samsung Pay. This makes it a versatile choice for users who rely on wireless charging and magnetic accessories. The case also boasts enhanced functionality with a traction grip around the perimeter for secure handling and tough TPU for corner protection. Ultra-responsive, oversized tactile buttons provide a crisp, clean click feel, while integrated lanyard anchor points and lanyard card compatibility add on-the-go functionality. The precise cutout ensures full and easy access to the S Pen, a crucial feature for Galaxy S25 Ultra users. Screen and camera protection are also top-notch, with an elevated perimeter and soft raised screen surround to safeguard the screen, and a raised camera bezel to protect the lens from scratches. The case has been military-grade drop-tested, offering 18-foot drop protection and meeting 3 times military drop test standards. Overall, the UAG Pathfinder case is a robust, functional, and eco-friendly option for Galaxy S25 Ultra users who need reliable protection without sacrificing style or convenience.